Transportation. Tractor.
Tractor. Tractor.
Tractors are very useful to farmers. Carriage.
Carriage. Carriage. Horse-drawn carriages have been around for a very long time.
Van.
Van. Van.
Many people travel around by van.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Ambulance.
An ambulance is used to get injured people to the hospital in a hurry.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Carriage.
Carriage.
Van.
Van.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Tank.
Tank. Tank.
Tanks have very large guns attached to them.
Police car.
Police car. Police car.
How many wheels does this police car have?
Forklift.
Forklift. Have you ever
Escalator.
seen a forklift at
Escalator.
a store or factory? The escalator moves up and down.
School bus.
School bus. School bus.
Many children go to and from school on a school bus.
Scooter.
Scooter. Scooter.
When riding a scooter, you need to wear a helmet.
Tank.
Tank. Police car.
Police car. Forklift.
Forklift. Escalator.
Escalator.
School bus.
School bus. Scooter.
Scooter.
Transportation. Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck. Garbage trucks dump their loads of garbage at a landfill.
Wheelchair.
Wheelchair. Wheelchair.
The wheelchair can be moved by hand.
Motorboat.
Motorboat. Motorboat.
Motorboats can move very fast.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
A fire truck has flashing lights on its top. Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Wheelchair.
Wheelchair. Motorboat.
Motorboat.
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Excavator.
Excavator. Excavator. If you want to dig a deep pit, you'll need an excavator. Ship.
ship, ship.
Ships can travel very long distances.
Tow truck.
Tow truck, tow truck.
The tow truck is removing a car.
Taxi,
Taxi, taxi.
There are many taxis on the streets of big cities.
Cable car,
cable car, cable car.
Cable cars glide up mountainsides on strong steel cables. Tricycle,
Tricycle, tricycle.
How many wheels does a tricycle have?
excavator,
Excavator.
Ship,
ship,
tow truck,
Tow truck.
taxi,
taxi. Cable car,
cable car,
tricycle.
tricycle.